Excuse me, will you take a picture of us?
Sure. This is a really nice camera.
Thanks, my parents gave it to me.
How do you use it?
You press this button here.
Come a little closer. Wait, that's too close. Move a little to the left. Move back a little farther. Okay, stay right there.
Do you mean here?
Yes, that's good. Oh, I can't get it to work.
You need to hold down the button for about 3 seconds.
Okay, I got it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Smile.
Rakib, what should we do today?
I have been studying all week. I'd like to exercise.
2. Let's go to the gym.
Good idea. What are we going to do there?
We can lift weights or play basketball.
I like to play basketball. Are you good at it?
Not really, but I like to play. I used to play a lot when I was in school, but now there's no time.
I know what you mean. I used to play soccer a lot. Do you think we can play soccer there?
No, there's not enough room. I think it's better if we play outside.
Okay, maybe we can go play soccer later this afternoon.
It's too cold outside today. Let's wait until the weather gets a little warmer.
Okay,
What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball. I watch games on TV all the time.
Who's your favorite team?
The Boston Celtics.
They are really good this year, aren't they?
Yes. Do you like them?
Yes. Everyone around here does.
Do you think they'll win the championship this year?
It's possible. They have some really good players.
Did you watch the game last night?
A little, not the whole thing. I watched the second half though, and I saw some of the highlights online.
It was a great game, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do you know who they're playing tomorrow night?
I think they're playing LA.
That's going to be a tough game. LA has a good team. Tipu, you really did a good job this time.
You adulate me. It was really a challenge to me.
But you did it and did it well.
Thank you so much.
The company achieves much profit for your project.
If not, couldn't the support from you I got the achievement.
The board decided to give special reward for you.
I would appreciate that.
Rapi, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
I can't find my purse. Can you help me?
No problem. I'll help you look for it.
Thanks.
What color is it?
It's black.
Did you look in the kitchen?
Yes, I already looked there.
I'll look in the living room.
Did you find it?
No, it's not in there. When was the last time you saw it?
I had it when I went to the library this morning.
Do you think you might have left it there?
I'll call the library and ask them if anyone found it.
Wait, is this it?
Yes, that's it. That's my purse. Thanks for helping me find it.